So I have some good news and some bad news tonight. Good news is there's going to be a video next week. Bad news is it isn't going to be a review. The reason why is because just time constraints, and I don't want to rush out a poor review. I've gotten stuff for it done, and it sounds like there's fireworks going on outside, so I'm going out there. But I don't want to do that to you guys. I don't want to give you something not of the highest quality that I can give. That is the one thing I will always stand by, is that I would not deliver something that I'm not truly proud of. Now, it really does sound like there are fireworks outside, and I'm a man that likes to investigate things like this, so let's go see. You hear that? I certainly do. Let's just walk around. I know you can't... Man, that's loud. Why would there be fireworks going off at 9:30 at night? I know you guys can't see anything, but soon you shall. And you see over there, you can, so... There we go, I'm back. I can certainly hear them, but I cannot see them. What's... Over there? They're just all around me. Well, I'll investigate further, but for now... So it's good news, bad news, and fire. And an annoying ass bird. Thank you for ruining everything. So, until tomorrow, I'll give you an update on the fireworks. But until then, later days, and good night.